The authority of a president can be challenged. Permit me to tell you, even the authority of the kings, especially under a political regime, can be challenged. The kings in Nigeria, they don't have imperial authority. The governor of the states where that king is reigning is superior to the king. Actually, it is the governor that we endorse. Even if it is Ifa that said this is the king, it is the governor that we endorse him, that we enthrone him. So no one enthroned God, so no one can question him. Please, do you understand this? Now, why we are knowing this is for you to know how to behave before him. And because he has given you the privilege to be also king and to be his child, his son or his daughter, does not give you the audacity to query God. Please don't do that. No one can say, what are you doing?